3-bedroom, 2-bath located at the southeast corner of Tillotson and Bethel. Custom-built mid-century modern floor plan featuring formal living room with vaulted ceiling, family room, eat-in kitchen and abundant storage. Metal kitchen cabinets with pull-out drawers, pull-out cutting board, and drawers with built-in metal bins. Master bedroom has vaulted ceiling, built-in desk/vanity, and attached bath. Guest bath has new walk-in shower with built-in seat. 2 lots with 2 separate parcels for a total of 0.63 acres. Needs some TLC but has lots of potential. As is sale. Sliding glass door in family room is defective/not safe, do not open. Seller requires a minimum of 48 hours to respond to all offers.